In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Fixed today here, let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Click and drag your mouse over the data range you want to use for the chart. Make sure both the text labels and the numerical values are included in the selection. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then select Chart. A chart editor panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click the Setup tab. At the top of the Setup section, click the Chart Type drop-down menu. Scroll down to the pie section and select the standard pie chart option. Google Sheets will automatically generate a pie chart based on the selected data. If you'd like to adjust the appearance, click the Customize tab in the chart editor. Next, open the pie chart section and locate the slice label setting. And from there, you can choose value or percentage if you want the data to appear directly on each slice of the chart. You can also expand the chart and axis titles section. Click inside the title text field and enter a descriptive title for your chart. If needed, you can adjust the available formatting options for the title. After that, click and drag the edges of the chart to resize it, or click and drag the chart itself to move it to a different location on the spreadsheet. One thing to keep in mind is that pie charts do not display negative values. If your data set contains negative numbers and they are not appearing correctly in the chart, you may need to switch to a column chart instead. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.